Ever tried charging your laptop with pure hope? Yeah, me too. Spoiler, hope isn't 65 watts. Laptop, plug-in charger. Me? I did. Charger, I'm tired, bro. Take a nap. Inspiron users, is your charger on strike? Your laptop's battery. I'm at Dow. You? I have a deadline in 2 minutes. Charger. Good luck with that. Introducing my secret weapon, Dell Original 65 watts. Charger. It's not just a charger, it's a lifeline. 4.5 millimeters tip. Slimmer than my patience. Compatible with Inspiron 13, 14, 15, basically all the squads. 3000, 5000, 7000 series. It's got you covered. Output. 19.5 volts like a caffeine shot for your laptop. Input. 100 to 240 volts world tour ready. Compact design fits in your bag, not your nightmares. Durable build survives more drops than your GPA. Stable voltage, no more random shutdowns mid-Zoom call. Power cord included, no more hunting for lost cables. Universal compatibility like a charger polyglot. Business pros, charge anywhere, look busy everywhere. Students, never use my charger died as an excuse again. It folks, one charger to rule them all. Travel friendly, because your laptop deserves a vacation too. Reliable power your laptop's new bestie. Stop roasting your old charger. Upgrade your power game. Dell Original 65 watts. For people who actually want to get stuff done. Ready to charge up your life? Click now before your battery says, bye Felicia. Dell charger. Because hope isn't a power source. Seriously, don't risk it. Get the real deal. Charge smarter, not harder. Your laptop will thank you. Your deadlines will too. Dell 65 watts. Plug in, power up, meme on. Product details and link are given in the description.